So if you've ever owned a GTI, you're probably very familiar with this soft touch rubber trim pieces becoming very sticky and gooey, and it comes off in your fingernails when you touch it, and it's just really nasty and gross. So I was able to find some that are made out of ABS plastic, and so hopefully they will never turn out to look this bad or be sticky or gooey or whatever this is. Looks like it's just a cover soft touch rubber of some sort that breaks down over the years, and it becomes really gross. So I'm always getting in and out of the car and touching that crap, so figured I'd show you guys what I got. So I got one of these, and it's just solid plastic, and it looks pretty identical to the original piece. So I'm hopeful that I can get one of these put on and it fits right, and I don't have to deal with this terrible sticky goo. So what you're going to do is just get a flathead and kind of pry up around the edges, just whichever side you can get a flathead under there, and just pry it forward carefully. It's just pressed in there. So you can see on here, there's these little tabs that have those metal clips on them, and they just kind of press in. Okay, I've got it partially removed. So what I did is I just came in here from the bottom with a flathead, and then I just worked my way up to the top and just kind of started prying up towards the top, and it comes out pretty easy from here. And here are those metal clips I was talking about. So you're going to want to swap out all these metal clips and put it on the new panel. As you can see, it kind of slides into these grooves here. Got the new panel installed, and it looks really good, and it actually fit pretty well, surprisingly. I didn't think it was going to fit very good, but it fits just like the OEM part. And I don't think it's ever going to get sticky because it's just made out of solid plastic. So yeah, I highly recommend these. It's way better than this. And I've experienced this on just about every GTI. Yes, it looks so much better. Feels better too. No more getting sticky stuff in my fingernails. Should you buy the OEM replacement? 9. After, before. Alright, so I hope this is another helpful video to you. As you can see, the new panels, the solid plastic panels, fit very nicely, and gets rid of that sticky crap that you probably are experiencing on your GTI if it's a MK6 or older probably. But it's definitely been a problem on all the MK6 Volkswagen vehicles that I've seen. So anyways, you should check them out. Of course, I'll have the link to buy them in the description if you want to replace your door panels in your GTI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, whatever that may be.